purpose of this experiment is to know which river flows faster and slower in a narrow or wider river channels. In order for the experiment to be quite accurate, the elevation and depth of the riverbed will be the same for both narrower and wider channel. To achieve such thing, we will use clay to make a river channels both narrow and wide with of course the same road. In order to assure the depth of the riverbed to be equal, we will use wooden board or tiles for smooth flow of water. Now, I'm going to lay out the river channels for both variables with the same shape, curve, and line. The narrower is 1 inch in width while the other is 2 inches. Based on the results, it shows that water runs faster in narrower channel as compared to wider river channel. Since the depth, elevation, and shape route of the water has been set equally on both variables, then it's evident that friction is one of the reasons why the experiment resulted into this. As we know, wider channel is composed of larger surface area which compose of higher friction or resistance in water flows compared to narrower channel.